Hey guys, Plumb Master Jeff back again. So just did anode rod replacements on these guys. I like to do a brief flush for the customer as well. Flushing, recommended over draining. Draining is just draining everything to the bottom of the heater that's already there. Flushing stirs everything up. Got incoming water coming in, stirring things up, flushing it out to the exterior. You can turn your gas control settings to the pilot. Not gonna really make that big of a deal. We're only doing a brief flush. So basically we're just gonna open the quarter turn ball valve fully. And there's gonna be tons of stuff coming out. Let's go check it out. Yeah, big chunky stuff. We'll do this for about 5 to 10 minutes. This is kind of lukewarm water, so it's not going to hurt the grass at all. Not going to burn it. But we'll do this for 5 to 10 minutes until it's clear. Then we'll go ahead and shut the water off. Let it kind of settle back to the bottom, and maybe do another brief flush on it. And that's the gist of flushing a water heater. Pretty straightforward. Incoming water should stay on while doing the flush. Subscribe, like, and we'll be posting some more.